Hello there, Craig Galloway here, Yeti Marketer. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing Jim Daniels' 2026 Affiliate Marketing Master Swipe File. Now, I've been an affiliate marketer now for about nearly 3 years, and at the beginning when I first started it was quite difficult to find products. It still is quite difficult to find products to promote. Now what Jim's done, and he's been an affiliate marketer a lot longer than I have, he's been doing it for about 28 years, and what he's put together is for the last 2 years all the sort of products that he's vetted and that he's promoting. Now he only promotes products that are good products, and he's compiled a list of about 50 of them, and also all the swipe files that he has created to go along with that you can use to promote the products. Now they're all evergreen products, and I've purchased it, I've seen it, I've looked at it myself, and I can see that it's great value for money. If I did something like this when I first started, it would have made promoting products an awful lot easier. Okay, you've still got to get your affiliate links for promoting some of the products, but to compensate for that, Jim's also provided 10 products that don't cost you, or you don't need approval to promote. So that'll get you started until you sort of build up a wee bit. Now, one of the things that he's given as well is all his swipe files. Now, these are swipe files that he's created, and they're known to work for the products. Now, I've been an affiliate marketer for only about 3 years, and I know myself it's really quite difficult to actually put together emails. So that'll give you a start to go with. And then my complimentary bonuses that are going with it, which we'll talk about, and then we'll introduce Jim's product and let you see a wee bit more about it. I can't actually show you the product because obviously that would give it away, but I can talk about it, and we'll go over the sales page in a minute or so. But I'm going to tell you that I've got 2 complimentary bonuses that are excellent bonuses that complement the product. When you're an affiliate marketer and you're actually making a sort of swipe files, you shouldn't really use the affiliate swipe files as they are. You should make them your own or slightly reword them, because obviously a lot of people are promoting products and they're all using the same swipe files. Then Google can look at that and sort of, it'd be harder to deliver it, because that maybe look a wee bit spammy that all these people are sending the same emails. So my complimentary product takes the swipe files, and then because you put them into my software, and it'll rewrite those swipe files for you, not losing the information from the original product or the original swipe files, but just slightly reword it so that it's not the same as the swipe files that everyone else is using. And a lot of other things it does as well. There's a second bonus that is the swipe file vault, and what that allows you to do is, as well as rewrite some of these swipe files, you can create a lot of marketing material and image prompts to go with it. But we'll show you that, or I'm not showing you in this demo because it's going to be too long of a sort of promotional video. But if you look at the links in my sort of page that you go to, if you purchase the 2 bonuses, or if you purchase the main product and then the 2 bonuses through my site, you'll be able to see links at the bottom there. There are full tutorials that show you what the actual bonuses that I give to, but I'm not going to actually go through the bonuses in here. Have a look in this the page, my bridging page that goes between the product. And if you purchase Jim's swipe files through my affiliate link, then you'll get access to those bonuses. So without further ado, let's have a look at the sales page. So just bear with me while I make myself a bit smaller so you can see it. So hopefully you can see the sales page here. So let's have a little listen to this video. So it says, affiliates new for 2026, download the exact files that Jim uses to earn a living online. So we'll have a wee listen to this video. It's not very long. It's about 1 minute or so.
It's 2026 and the world of affiliate marketing is evolving faster than ever. With artificial intelligence taking center stage, a new wave of affiliates have been tapping into serious online income. This shift is unlike anything we've seen before, and most people won't realize the potential until it's too late. But for the people who recognize what's happening, this 2026 shift represents a chance for a fresh start online. I'm Jim Daniels, and I've been making my living by testing and recommending digital affiliate products for decades. Today, I'm inviting you to get ahead of the affiliate marketing crowd with my 2026 Affiliate Marketers Master Swipe file. This shortcut to reliable commissions contains my directory of top-selling products and services, plus all my custom promo material, licensed for your use. This isn't just theory. This is my exact playbook, the one that fuels my own income, and now it can be yours. I'll also share with you exactly how I drive free traffic to my affiliate links using AI, so you can maximize your reach without wasting time or money. The key to success in business is timing, and 2026 is the perfect time to freshen your approach. This is your opportunity to plug into a system that's already working and build something real and lasting. Let's team up and make 2026 the year you break through to a new level of affiliate marketing success. Download the 2026 edition of my Affiliate Marketers Master Swipe file today and start building your financial freedom. It's 2026 and
So that was the sort of introductory video. I'm not going to go through the whole sales page with you, but let's just look at some of the things that you're going to get with this. You're going to get the 2026 Affiliate Marketers Master Swipe files. It's basically saying there copy and paste commissions. And inside that, you'll get, as I said, the sort of swipe files and also the sort of the products that they's giving you the swipe files for, and you'll get links and showing you the products. And there is 50 of them, and they're all evergreen products, and they're from good vendors. I can actually show you just what happens once you get it. You'll get sent this link here, which I'll just drag over. I'm not going to show you them, obviously, because you're not going to be able to. That would be giving it away. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. You'll obviously need to purchase it to see it. But basically, I'm just going to drag it over quickly just to let you see what you get inside it. You get promos, which are all the swipe files. Also get Jim's, as I said, 2026 master list. It's a list of those 50 sort of affiliate products that you can promote. And also, inside it, if you read it, I'll let you read this first. That's all right to let you see this, I think. So in the folder, as I said, you're going to find a PDF called Jim's 2026 Master List PDF, containing a list of his top performing affiliate products and services. A folder called Promos, containing all his personal promos for the top performing affiliate products. And a file called Bonus 10 No Approval Needed Programs. So what that is it contains 10 more affiliate programs that you don't need any approval for, plus 30 emails to promote them. So obviously there's a note there about it being for personal use, not to be, you cannot give it away or resold. So that's what you get inside there. And also a part of Jim's thing is, if we'll just go back to the sales page again, we'll just let you see it. A part of Jim's sort of product here is that he says that if you want to promote any of his products, he'll approve you as an affiliate as well. So that's the 2026 affiliate, which is the main thing. He's also given you a great AI-powered traffic course, which gives you a sort of shortcut, and it helps you find untapped traffic sources, and you can grow your own email list, create traffic pulling content, and automate your social media. So you're getting that inside as well. And obviously, I'm doing this recording. It's not launching. It's in another 15 hours before it launches, but it will be launched by the time you actually see this. So I'm not going to go through the rest of the sales page. There's a wee bit in here about Jim and what he does, and you can see here he's lots of testimonials as being good at promoting stuff. So he knows exactly what to promote. So that's, as he says here, it's his cream of the crop affiliate products, and it's Jim's top performing promos licensed to you. Now let's have a quick look at my bonus page and what you'll get. Now this is just a video. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. You can then review, have another look at Jim's master swipe files. We can go over about it. There's a wee bit of a summary there of what it does, which I've just told you here, and then you can get my exclusive bonuses. Now my exclusive bonuses are Yeti Product Reviewer AI. Now that lets you create polished, persuasive product reviews in minutes, and even if you hate writing, by turning any product sales page or pasted text into ready-to-use review content. So you're going to need something to promote. You've got the swipe files from Jim, but you're going to maybe want to be able to promote that with a product review, and this helps you do it. It's software that will help you do it. And there's also the Yeti Swipe Vault. Now, this really sort of takes Jim's product and complements it very well. And that, as I said earlier, you can take swipes that Jim gives you, put them into this software, and it'll rewrite them for you, slightly reword them, and make them just a wee bit more sort of to your voice. And also included in there are actually ways of creating prompts for the images, Facebook type posts, and other prompts for making other images and ads and whatnot are inside that Yeti Swipe Vault as well. I'm not going to show you here, I'm not going to show you what my bonus does. The main thing is to promote Jim's product, but if you really want to watch the demos of these two bonuses that come with my, if you purchase through my link, then you can find them further down here underneath here. There'll be a link. It says here previously posted disclaimer support desk, but there'll be a couple of links in here tomorrow once I get this page up and running, where it'll take you straight to the demos for the product, which will take you to these sort of demos here, which is the full tutorial of the actual Yeti Bonus Hubs Yeti Swipe Vault, which I can display a little. Hello there, Craig Galloway. That's what you see. It's come up now. So it's come up here, and as you can see here, it's put in hyperlinks and highlighted the name of the product here, and it's also put another link down here. So it's added two links into this. And if I move on just a little bit, you can see here how and you can use it to create prompts, put them into ChatGPT, start to create it now. So you know what it was said. So the full video's there. I'm not going to spend time in this promotional video to show you. It's 24 minutes long. If you look there, you'll see how the Yeti swipe file works. You'll also see how the Yeti Hello there, Craig Galloway here, the Yeti marketer. And in here, you'll see I'm just going to flick through this. This is for creating affiliate reviews. Now you can see in here that it creates it into whatever you want to copy and paste into. So have a look at that video or whatever. If you're the tutorial Facebook or demo, you might want to copy it to a blog post. Let's do that there. I've also got the option to export. That's my bonuses. I hope you like them. It's a very short video, but it's just to promote Jim's product, and this is my exclusive bonuses that you can only get through me. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, do watch out for more videos from myself. So until the next time, bye for now.